So, a day in the life with Alton. You know, no normal. This is Bob. Bob, me and Bob apart today. Morning. When I go on, I'm out here and I don't know. But the studio we are going idea. See me? Nah, man, no. Studio settings, it's an idea. On a new song. Yeah, son. You know, there we are going normal.
Alright, sound check. Alright.
You know, there we are going normal. Going easy. No, we don't like music in the dark. Don't like music, you don't want to get in no trouble, my friend.
I know, man, I know.
Don't want to get in no trouble.
Nothing.
People, Simon Keezy.
Blessed. Up and running.
Yeah, man. Simon Keezy.
Live and direct, man.
I make an instrument them more.
You see it?
You see me? You song them and beat the rhythm them.
Yeah.
My original key.
Music, you see it? Live forever. Yes, I am.
I'm going now, man. See me? We are up on the studio in the morning right now. So it's a thing. I'm a forward, man.
Ready.
So one time we go up on the studio, man.
Well, Joe.
All the talking they making me nothing. Nothing good to say, don't say nothing. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. I don't hear nothing if it ain't saying dollar sign. I ain't saying nothing if it's saying dollar sign. You got yours, and now give me mine. And long as the money run out right, then I'll be fine. Guess I'll be on the grind. No time, waste of time. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. I say alright. You know what walk? Money talk. You know what walk? Money talk. You know what walk? You know what walk? And money talk. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now.
Give me some more juice, man. You're not giving out juice, man.
Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Hey, you know what walk? You know what talk? You know what walk? You know what talk? Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. You know what walk? You know what talk? You got yours, so give me mine. Money every day, be on my mind. Give me my money, and I'll be fine. And if you I get to the line, somebody will go crying. Somebody will be dying. Don't waste the time. Don't waste my time. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. No what? You know what's up. You know what? You know what's up. Let's get down to business.
Let's get down to business.
Business time.
You ready for that now? Ready?
You know what? You know what's up. And money what? Let's get down to business now. 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 Let's get down.
Bomba.
Rasta. Ready for it?
Ready.
Bunny dog.
Rasta.
Bunny dog.
Baseline with all that drive.
Then the system with bagasse, you know, it's a Pro Tool and normal, you know. Most of the time when they can build them general, if you understand it fully, they do a bag of things.
Yeah, man. What was
Quick
quick and fast? Quick and
Because
fast.
people try to study them, but tell them I try to study, I can't know everything tonight. I know enough all time. You can't study everything all time.
Brother, I used Pro Tool from a 2-track, you know, brother. And that was headache, you know.
Yeah.
But if I use the tape machine that time, you know.
Good. Because I know what I say, put on it. If you know what like, man, I bring those things, man.
Yo, baseline, ready? Hold on. You got it. Hold on. Then I give you some. Stop. Why?
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now.
From I was a tender age, I tell mommy, I wanna be a businessman. I know I have a business plan. And if you mess with my dough, I tell you it will be damn. Somebody will be going down. I don't mess around with yours, so don't you mess around with mine. You got yours, do what you want with that, but if you might get a shot, and I don't care about the cops, so don't run for my money now. It's a serious world. It's a serious world. And for you, I will send you from the girl. Leave you somewhere dying. Somebody will be crying. I'm not lying. I'm on the grind. Money on my mind, so let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. I need my dough. I told you before. I need to make my life better. I need to see my cheddar. They locked me in bar for a long time just because they didn't want to see me shine. But now I'm back. Oh, I'm supposed to say. Somebody will understand.
I know you say it. I want to go in that movie. Really, I
want to go in that movie. I say back at you. A 3-part for the movie, you know. So now I can shop or something.
Ready?
Ready, we go. Yes,
wow.
Qurious King, Richard and Flips, Jammiwood.
What's up?
Money. Yes, Qurious King, Richard and Flips, Jammiwood. My money. My money. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. I don't wanna hear us about
silent chatter here. Show me off, big man. Come on, guys. Play back, man. Play back, man. Don't tell me that, man.
I can't turn up on.
No, me turn up my whole file.
No, you can't turn up this alone.
No, but me tell us a seat there.
No, what to the bunks back, you play back on this.
Then I tell us a book. I'd see on this. See there?
The book for sure, see which one to that.
I'd see on that.
Boy, now,
I see them, see this book here, so.
So you cannot come load up on
Why
that?
not problem? And yo, it's can't.
Why problem though? Make it can't.
Why problem? Why can't? You break my love can't come.
Well, I don't look now. The book here, so.
No, something wrong. Why something wrong? Why we can't get the playback up, the volume up. We can't get it louder than the rest of the music. Man, the master volume.
I'm going to go jar down there.
No, man. You can't get louder than that, man.
Jar down everything then and see why that do.
You're not supposed to so low.
It's supposed to high though.
Silent, man. We call him book, you know.
Oh, we can't. Jar down everything.
Go again.
Qurious King.
See the silent thing,
Richard
man.
and Flips. No, I can't turn up that. Jammiwood. Money.
Yeah, man.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. I don't wanna hear us about the cheddar. I don't wanna hear us about the money to make my life better. Money talk, bullshit walk. Money talk, bullshit walk. We leave it someplace in the dark. We don't love to talk.
Stop.
You come with this.
Stop.
I say for my fire. No, that's
Yes, you ready now? Ready.
I still don't fix the song
Qurious
for that.
King.
There's more than that.
Richard Brown Flips. Jammiwood.
Don't play with it now. My treasure.
Money.
Don't play with it now. My money. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. All I wanna hear is about the cheddar.
You see, from piano track, bring up a little more, bring on the voice just a little bit, please. Bring on the piano a little bit. Play, let me tell you. Because the voice is... I want to hear the cards on my play.
All I wanna hear is about the money to make my life better.
Vocal now.
Talk. Push it walk. Money talk. Leave it someplace in the dark. Who don't love to talk.
Yeah, but if you get let's go into business in that loop there.
No, I can't cut out the rhythm. Everyone can cut.
Yeah.
Leave it some.
Right, so? The body for
Yeah,
get down
man.
to business.
Qurious King. Richard Brown Flips. Jammiwood.
Don't play with it now. Don't play with it now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. All I wanna hear is about the cheddar.
Cheddar.
All I wanna hear is about the money to make my life better.
Money talk. Push it walk. Money talk. We leave it someplace in the dark. We don't love to talk. Come with this. Now come around here. We leave it there. While you're scared. I hope you're here. Always near. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now.
Fix this up. Come on. Fix this up. Go this up.
Let's get down to business now.
Give me four.
Down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now.
Let's get down to
Yeah, the right side, so you want to go fumble
Let's get down to business now.
Let's get down to business. Let's get
I look fumble the right side, so.
Yeah, kick me back from one.
From,
Yeah, I know about
Business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now.
let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business.
Huh?
You play sleep before you go for further.
Down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now.
Let's get down to business.
Right, sorry, not catch good.
Huh?
You don't catch good. Come back. Don't go far.
Down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business now. Someone was a tender haze. I tell mommy.
But fix it. Draw down the advice just a little bit more. I want to catch a key. Let me hear.
Don't know they're on us, AOC Records, you know, in a nigger listen, but this bombard studio listen in Westmoreland right now. You understand? The man an engineer, The money is a DJ, CMA, the money run off the place around here, you know, Mojo Herbs, you have Chubby around here, CMA.
Every time, man.
Who is there? Richie?
You know, Biggs there.
Alright,
Richie Biggs.
Richie Biggs there, so you know, normal around here, you know,
Whoever vibe, you know.
Father Choice, big up yourself every time, you know.
Yeah, General, salute.
They are going normal around here.
Respect to all I think them are going. I love the movie thing, them nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, big up to the Jam crew and the whole family.
Richard Brown
Films,
yeah, man, they are going
nice
normal.
vibe, you know. Yeah, man, and I hope to great things out of the thing, you know. You know what I mean?
You know, I'm madness when you come boy, you know that, normal boy.
Jano. Every time.
They are going normal, see me fire us in the studio, you know. Just to come up and get like a Wi-Fi, but I go back in there, you know, I get down to business. You know, so let's get down to business at part 2.
Yeah.
A job today. You know, the ladies them go crazy with that, you know.
Yeah, man, I remember I channel too. Is like
Big up yourself, man. Tell people my name on Instagram.
My name Killer Blacks. Yeah, I mean just look for Killer Blacks, DJ Killer Blacks, and me have my YouTube channel now named DJ Killer Blacks TV and radio. So you just can look that up, and I mean whole back content up and a lot of interviews where I have a lot of big artists, you know what I mean?
Right.
We have an artist on there. Yeah, Mojo Herbs. See me next bad singer over there.
Richard Melody.
Richard Melody sound like a damn long time, man. Richard Melody like singing melody.
Right. You know, our Mojo Herb album drop today.
Eh?
Crazy. Another level.
Another level.
I mean, they're going to mash up the whole
Mojo,
world.
big up yourself, Mojo, general, you know, man.
Some coming in place still, but I don't know, you go. The album, the mad, and Nature Ellis album out there to go with a bag of things, so. AOC, I murder place right now, you know what I mean?
Next album where you hear Richard Melody.
Yeah, Richard Melody album to come soon.
Alright, come on, Father Choice, I go on good run and now with Father Choice. You know.
Yeah, man, Daddy Choice, we cannot leave in. So we get a little jingles for him.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Kind of my God, you know. If you're ready?
Ready.
If you're a farmer who till the soil, a businessman, a worker anytime, when you need financial help and encouragement, just bank with Choice Movement. For the Choice is a good service bank, and he's easy to talk to, have good finance plan, and he's capable of taking care of your financial needs and bring sunshine to your life. Bank with... Thank you very much. You know what I mean? I know Sir Richard Melody, you know, to the world. I big up AOC record, you know, I write record. I big up Choice Movement son to I write movement. Then, thank you very much. Okay then.
You know, say, yo, that song there, Father Choice, need to make a voice, that song there.
Yeah.
And play you out the road every time. That song there not sound too bad for your intro, you see me? So they are going normal, see me. Keys in the boat.
Over there. I strewed over there now.
Yeah,
set it right. Rich is right.
Yeah.
So you know, we there.
Rich is right, poor is wrong.
Yeah.
So you know, we there normal.
Yeah, man.
So, we link. So, yeah. You know, we there going normal, we there on the studio. Choice recording studio in Negril. Don't know normal, no. Let's get down to business part 2 soundtrack. You understand? So, you don't know, we there. We are going normal. They are one of the artists them slash engineer. The man engineer a long time, produce a long time, same way. The man response with Choice too the same way. Understand? Big up Chubby everybody same way. Understand? But the man a real general night place. Real dinosaur. And a normal Father Choice, big up yourself. So you see me? They are up on the studio. We are going normal. Same way. We are going normal. Yeah. So let's get down to business. It's coming out today. So now I don't know, we're there with Mojo Herbs. The man a long time the man they boat and I go normal. You understand?
Yeah. Blessed love my Lord to the world.
Boss,
remember say look out for my brand new album we just dropped today. Another level tracks, 2 combination, only eternal and one with natural black. So you hear me? Humble thyself. We say fi humble thyself. Yeah.
So you see, I'm normal when the man touch the microphone. Yeah, son. So, remember to subscribe, like, and share too.
You tell me to shine quick, you won't cash for you. Only for the mind, mams. Try to look at your bun, them say them not higher. True, where we come from a beer shots, them a fire. Them not see me a try to live better. We want a few us with a pencil driving. So tell me where you want settings now.
Yo, go back look a bit there. Go back look a bit there, my general. Go back look a bit. Yeah. Yeah. So, we the live in the night, yeah, with Frostan. Frostan, I don't know your thing, bro. You got the yourself, Frostan. Just by your fault from Frostan.
Brother, you know, straight over out of Rosalights, man, take up here.
Rosalights. Maybe a big up on yourself, man, take up here in a place.
41 Crescent.
41 Crescent. Big
Green
up on yourself.
now. I mean, Rosemount, Catching Mount, Devon, right round to South Spring, the whole place, I mean. Yeah, power ground.
So people remember to subscribe and come on the channel and go on normal CMA. I don't want nothing normal now in Alton there, you know.
Yeah, peeps. I want to forward to Frostan YouTube channel. I mean, right now, I have a Vivo channel, but a few videos on the Vivo channel. Mostly the videos them is on Studio Yard Music. YouTube. Yes, /YouTube, you know the thing they go. Yeah, that's where y'all could get all of the latest videos them and update of what's going on with the artists. Instagram FRASS.DON Frostan. You know what I mean? It's Frost with a Dan and a dot between Frost and Dan. Instagram, the IG fully active.
Don't know nothing normal, you know, so people don't know a day in the live with Alton. They are going normal. We are doing an interview with Frostan. We have some people here from what the YouTube name again?
That's Frostan settings.
No,
we're talking about overall settings. Overall
settings. So big up the people them from overall settings, because I don't know them. They are from Kingston. I don't know no normal boy, isn't me? So remember to just check them out on the YouTube and on the Instagram and on the, all of them platforms. I think all of them on it, isn't me?
It's so overall space and settings.
So I don't know overall space and settings. So isn't me? I say badness come down. So big up everybody are going normal out there and are going easy. Remember for super chat when you come on the YouTube channel and them something there, or cash up. Isn't me? Don't know where I go on with the cash app thing. If you want to support the movement, I want to support, isn't me?
And also the treat for the kids next week. You guys can support that as well.
Yeah. Next week I want to get some treat for the kids. So if you want to help with that one the same way, I don't know what sort of thing come now, isn't me? I don't know no normal. So there we are going easy. Understand? So I want to get some KFC.
Hello?
I want to get some KFC for them tomorrow. Not tomorrow, in the next week. Yeah, get them some KFC and some things and make them go and enjoy themselves. Because I don't know. You have to help, you know. You have to help them, isn't me? And we have look some tablets to them to about 12 of them. About 12 of them they run here, so isn't me? About 12 pitney. Want to see if them say make a video and them say what them want. So if you watch a video there and you feel like you want to help them, just help them. I understand because I think come there, you know. So just go on normal and help the movements, because so I think come down, you know. When you help people, you don't know blessings are coming and it will come in some different ways and forms and them something.
The same movement thing. Yeah, Jammiwood or Travel. If you remember, me send it to you. So don't bust your brains, my brother. Yeah, man, we're there, they are going boom, bang, bang, bang.
So we know watch this from car. You see me? Go up on the TikTok, on the Instagram, and watch what go on. You understand? Watch what go on. Over up on the Instagram and the TikTok. You see me? Cause I think come down here. I don't know. Nah, I'm all over there. Watch you know. And do the Alton challenge. Who can do the Alton challenge? Do the Alton challenge. See Alton challenger. Alton challenge. Bomba! Who can do the Alton challenge? Who can do the Alton challenge? See Alton challenger. Come in. Who can do it? Who can do it? Can do it. Alton challenge. Pass over there.